episode of RVing My Way with Jim. And on this trailer we have the stairs that fold up onto the inside. I don't know how many of you have slipped on yours, but I have twice. Fortunately, it didn't hurt too bad and I didn't break anything. But today I'm going to feature a product that we found online. It's from trailersphere.com, and these are full width treads that will stick based on the 3M adhesive on the back on the steps here. This one happens to have 3 steps in 2 different sizes. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to strip off the old grip tape, clean them up, and put on the new ones. So stay tuned for another exciting adventure with RVing My Way with Jim. Just for your information, I am not being endorsed by TrailerSphere at all on this. These were purchased on trailersphere.com, and I think it's a great product. We'll see. By far the hardest thing to do is to get this extra grip tape that's already on here off. But as you can see, I'm using a scraper to get it started, and a utility knife to kind of help. The scraper works actually better, the utility knife cuts it. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed to get underneath one edge of it and start peeling it off. All 3 of them are off. Time to clean. So the next step in the process is to scrub with soapy water and a stiff brush. That's what we're going to do now. Next step, it says, is to wipe it down with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I only use 91%, so that's what I got. So we're going to wipe these down and let them dry real good before we stick on the anti-skid pads. On TrailerSphere's page, they have different sizes of treads, and so we measured ours to make sure that we would get the right ones. We also want to make sure that we size them and make sure that they're right, and it looks like they're going to fit. So this top one is 23 1/4 by 9 3/4. And these bottom 2 steps are 23 1/4 wide by 7 1/4. We're going to go ahead and pull off, probably start on the bottom one and pull off the plastic, and then pull off the cover on the 3M adhesive, and looks like it's pretty well going to be easy to stick down. So we're going to do that now. These also have a deck RV on here, so you want to make sure that this gets put on the right spot so that it looks right. I just noticed that. It's very sticky, so you want to get it right the first time. That's going to be nice. And that's it. These treads are full width, got grip on them, good adhesion from trailersphere.com, and I'm going to be happy to not be slipping on my steps in the future. This is Jim from RVing My Way. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you.